Good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to start a new rubric, Imagination, Kalpana. This description based on new edition of Boric Materia Medica. Previously explained rubric based on third edition of Boric Materia Medica and first edition of Boric Repertory. कल्पना क्या है? विगत प्रत्यक्षात्मक अनुभवों का बिंबों और विचारों के रूप में विचारणात्मक स्तर पर रचनात्मक नियोजन कल्पना कहलाता है। कल्पना की मानसिक प्रक्रिया के अंतर्गत वास्तव में दो प्रकार की मानसिक प्रक्रियाएं निहित है। प्रथम, विगत संवेदनशीलताओं का प्रतिस्मरण बिंबों एवं विचारों के रूप अर्थात स्मृति। द्वितीय, उन प्रतिस्मृति अनुभवों की एक नए संयोजन में रचना। लेकिन कल्पना में इन दोनों प्रकार की क्रियाओं का इतना अधिक सम्मिश्रण रहता है कि न तो इनका अलग अलग अध्ययन ही किया जा सकता है और न ही इनकी अलग अलग स्पष्ट अनुभूति ही व्यक्ति विशेष को हो पाती है। इसी कारण कल्पना को एक उच्च स्तरीय जटिल प्रकार की मानसिक प्रक्रिया कहा जाता है। Imagination is the ability to produce and simulate novel objects, sensations, and ideas in the mind without any immediate input of the senses. It is also described as the forming of experiences in one's mind which can be recreations of past experiences such as vivid memories with imagined changes or completely invented and possibly fantastic scenes. Imagination helps make knowledge applicable in solving problems and is fundamental to integrating experience and the learning process. A basic training for imagination is listening to storytelling in which the exactness of the chosen words is the fundamental factor of evoked words. This is imagination. According to new edition 1992 by Modern Homeopathic Publication, Calcutta, imagination, fancies, hallucination, illusions, acute vivid, absinthe, aconite, agaricus, ambergris, belladonna, cannabis indica, hyoscyamus, calicarb, lachesis, upius, rustux, scopal, stramonium, sulfur, vetra, melva. These are the medicine in second grade and first grade. Away from imagination, away from home, must get there Brania, calcarea, paus, semicifuga, hyoscyamus, opium. Imagination, bed occupied by another person, medicine is petroleum. Imagination, bed sinking, baptisia, belladonna, benzoic acid, calica. Imagination, bed too hard, arnica, baptisia, bryonia, morphinum, pyrogen, ruta. Imagination, being abused or criticized, Baraitacar, cocaine, Hyoscyamus ignitia, palladium, Staphysagra. Imagination being assassinated, absinthe, calibrum, plumbum metallicum. Imagination being broken in fragments scattered about baptisia, daphne, petroleum, phosphorus, stramonium. Imagination being crushed by houses, argentum nitricum. Imagination being dead, apis, lachesis, moschus, opium. And other or rubric present under main rubric imagination in Boric repertory. I continue this topic in second part. Similar word or word related to imagination: fancy, fantasy, vision, imagination, inventiveness, resourcefulness, invention, ingenuity, creativity, propaganda, imagine, invention, make up, make believe, moonshine, fantasy, picture, pipe dream, plan, presumption, etc. Program, program, project, imaging, say, scheme, sentiment, speculation, supposal, supposition, theory, unreality, vapor, vapor, visualization, fairy tale, chimera, fantasy, abstract. Abstraction, assumption, conception, conjecture, creation, daydream, device, excogitation, assumption, fantasy, fiction, figment, hypothesis, idea, idolum, image, imaginary, imagination, imaginativeness, etc. These all words used different terminology and expression or use related to imagination. Thank you for watching. Like, share and